Hi everyone, welcome to my design channel. If you are a beginner designer or even already working in UX or design, you have probably heard this term many times, like the design system. But honestly, mostly people either explain it in a very complicated way or they assume everyone already understands it. So in this video, I'm going to explain you what is a design system really is, why companies use it, and why every designer should understand it. So, no complex terms, just a clear and simple explanation. Let's start. So, what is design system? A design system is a single source of truth for design. In very simple word, a design system is a set of role and reusable components that help designer and developer build product in consistent way. Think of it like this. Imagine your product is a city, right? And a design system is the rule book of that city. It decides how building should look, how roads should be structured, and how signs should appear. If there are no rule, every building will look different and the city become confusing. The same thing happen in digital products. A design system usually include, let me show you. So we use colors, like we have the color over there in the variable. We use colors, we use typography, something like this, and the buttons, the input field, and the few icons, and also the reusable components. Many beginner things a UI kit is a design system or a Figma file with components. It's also a design system. That is not completely correct. A design system is not only the visuals like this, it also includes rules on how to use the components, do and don't, and accessibility guides and explanation of design decisions. So if only had the component but no rule or documentation, you don't have the design system. You only have the design assets. Let me give you a simple example. So if you design a button, like just use the text size is the 32 and with the light yellow color, right? And the next day, if there is a new designer who design a new button for the same product with the different text size, with the different corner radius, and in the next day there is another designer who design another button with the same text size, the font size, but with a different color and with the different corner radius, right? So now your product look inconsistent. On the other hand, our design system solve this problem by saying button must follow these colors, these size, and these states. As you can see, we have the different states over there, we have the color over there, we have the size over there. So no matter who design, everything look the same. So let me show you another example, right? So as I have the two app scans over there and I am not using the design system over there. So if I want to, just a simple example, if I want to change the but color of this button, so I need to select the every button on every single skin, and then I need to change the color manually. On the other hand, if I am using the design system, so as you can see, I'm using the component over there from the design system. So I just quickly change the color of the main component, the button of the main component, the variant of the main component. So everything will be changed over there. Let me go over there. You can see. So the both buttons colors have been changed, right? So design system help teams to design faster, reduce mistake, maintain consistency, and scale product easily. For company, this means less cost, less confusion, and better user experience. And for users, the product feel more professional and easy to use. So if you remember only one thing from this video, remember this. Our design system is not decoration. It's a decision system. It's a decision system. In the next video, we'll talk about the design system versus UI guide versus style guide. So subscribe my channel and I'll see you in the next video.